Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Right now I am at my new place. It's not the ideal situation that I was planning on showing it to you, where it's really clean. It's not that clean. I mean, it's clean, we painted and everything, but it's just got stuff everywhere still. So it is what it is. I'm moving, today is Wednesday, May 6th, I think it is. Yeah, May 6th. So Saturday, this Saturday, I'm moving to this place. So I'm packing, but we just came here quickly because we got the new, changing the oven here. So I'm getting a gas oven instead of electric. So we're getting the guy to come here to change that as well. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. Excuse the mess. I was hoping it'll be better than this, but there you go. So right when you can't come in, right at the front door, this is the kitchen right here. That's the island. And right here will be the living room. And this would be the dining area. So if you look on the other side, this is the closet. There's stuff right there, so we can't close it. And here's the kitchen. Sorry, the light is not very bright here. I should have turned on the light before. But here is my kitchen, and here is my new oven that I got right here. So when you go upstairs, this is what it looks like. On the right side is the first bedroom. And turn on the light. Just left the bedroom as is. We painted it, but I figured instead of having to paint it a bunch of times, you know, I just left it the same color that they had here. And when you get out, here's the hallway. I turn on the light. Here is the bathroom on the left side. There you go. So compared to the bathroom I had at the other place, this is going to be a big change for me. And this is my closet situation right here. There, open it up, it looks like this. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but there's drawers right here and here. Hi there. This is another one. Right here, drawers at the bottom, and here's the other side of my closet. So yeah, that's gonna be a challenge for me, considering I came from, you know, the house before this, or the one I'm moving out is, I think, 3,000 square feet with a basement, and the other one previously to that was 6,000, around 6,000 with a basement, so square feet. Oh yeah, this is my bedroom right here. So the only thing that's gonna fit in here is my two dressers, and that's a question mark, with my king size bed. So that's gonna be a challenge for me too. So even my other, I don't even know what you call it. So is it a dresser? Yeah, dresser with a table, I mean with a mirror. It has to go in that blue room that you saw. This is gonna be my daughter's room. This is a turquoise room right here. This is the biggest room. So she's gonna have her room here. And she is going to have her playroom in here as well. This is her closet, and she's got the biggest closet too. So I might have to take the top part right there and put my shoes there, but yes. And here's a little linen closet here. And then when you go down, the steps here, we need to put carpets on it. We're just gonna put it like at the last minute. Just because, you know, we're moving and everything. Don't want the dirty shoes going on the new carpet. But when you turn around, same thing. This is the basement. This house, I think, is with the basement. It's about 2,000 square feet. I'm not sure. So this is what it looks like. This is gonna be the boys' room right here. My son's is gonna be here, and my other son, the oldest one, is gonna be here. And there's a little closet right here. See the steps? It looks like we took the carpet out. And yeah, that's how it looks right now. So it doesn't look very good. Here's my laundry. And that's my drive and my washer. I'm gonna get the front loader as well, because this is what they had here. So they're gonna match. And I'm gonna replace that too, the little sink, laundry sink. And then this is what's gonna keep me from keeping my stuff. Oh, now of course it won't turn, the light won't turn on. I gotta get this looked at too. But here, this is like a big, huge open crawl space. And the stuff that I'm not able to put away in the kitchen and whatnot is gonna go down here, and it's an actual crawl space. At least you just have to hunch a bit, at least for me, since I'm short. Okay, so when you get out of the what do you call this, the laundry room, here is the other bathroom, you know. So this is the kids' bathroom. Even the kids' bathroom at the other place is huge, and this is what we're gonna be working with, like this little thing here. So yeah, it's gonna be a challenge, but hey, we're up for a challenge. This is gonna be my other office or makeup room, I think, one of those two. See, this it's just a room, no closet or anything. And then the fireplace, I was thinking paint this with a tempered type paint, you know, spray paint, to make it black so it looks more up-to-date looking. And I have the backyard, but it's kind of messy right now out there. But that is the tour of my house. So I'm excited. But you know, all this moving process, it is a challenge, having to pack everything and see how this thing is gonna come about, of having to put everything in here, because with even my kitchen, you know, that's gonna be I'm kind of scared, but hey, I'm sure it's gonna all work out, and if not, I'll just get rid of it and throw it out, or you know, not throw it out, but donate it or something. So hope you guys enjoy this video, seeing my new place, and I will talk to you later. Bye.